At the bottom of the pyramid, people have moved from a 6% fixed deposit of the bank
to an SIP or are moving.
तो एक नया कोड वर्ड बन चुका है जो मुझे मालूम नहीं सही है गलत है, बट जो मार्केट में आप नॉर्थ इंडिया में जाओगे तो आपको बोले 12% की एफडी, SIP has become 12% FD.
ये अच्छी
So ये
तरह से बताया.
the SIP is perceived as an alternate to their fixed deposit mindset. SIP is perceived as the recurring deposits of the past, and hence and they are all coming through small tranches, correct? So I think SIP is the right way, but what type of product you are subscribing in SIP matters the most. So वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. मैंने आप अगर लार्ज कैप, मिड कैप, स्मॉल कैप, different eras, different risk profiles, different allocations are possible. But if somebody is taking extraordinary risk of selecting sectoral funds, selecting thematic funds, narrower sectors, correct, or focusing only as a small cap or a mid cap investor because the returns in the recent years are exciting, and that excitement is giving you the high to do SIP, then I think there is something wrong. SIP is a fundamental instrument to invest in all cycles with the right good managers in a right platform, correct? Not to keep in mind, जैसे मैं नासिक गया था और मैं एक लार्ज म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर पार्टनर को मिला, तो उन्होंने उनके सामने एक इन्वेस्टर आए थे और मैंने सुना उन्होंने पूछा उनको 40% वाली SIP है क्या? So I looked at him, I said, what is 40% रिटर्न वाली SIP का मतलब क्या हुआ? He said people have started believing that 40% return is real and 40% वाली SIP, because people have made in pandemic, post-pandemic returns which are disproportionate, and hence it is very heightened responsibility of each one of us to make them aware, though they don't like to hear what we want to tell them, not to scare anybody, but the fact of the matter is that this is not real. It will only be real when the underlying company start performing in the same proportion, and not all companies can perform all the time, and hence market can take a pause, market can take a sideways approach, but India as a whole, this is a golden decade. So there is no question coming into picture is that this is an incorrect way of investing. This is a right way of investing. But what are you investing?